I want to set the stage properly here, because pretty much everyone is either drives in or is driven in to the stadium. There's tons of parking lots. Public transportation really doesn't touch Gillette Stadium in any meaningful way. So while there might be, I don't know, there might be some world where you could get public transport to, maybe a mile and a half away from there and then walk down, which would still get you out of there way faster than we did. It's not how the majority of the people come. I would gather that 95% of the people are parking there.
Okay.
So we go to the show. Great show. On the way out, we decide, well, we're going to stop and pee. We're in no rush. We're going to be comfortable. We'll get back to the limo. And then our wonderful limo driver, Lisa, is going to take the reins and take us home. Like, it's
awesome.
We're paying her for this, and we're happy to do so. And she's happy to be there. So, we took our time. We get out there. And as we're leaving the stadium, I see this truck outside of the stadium with a line of people, probably 500 people long.
Oh, wow.
Now, this is a good 30 minutes after the Stones have played their last note. We walked pretty slowly through the stadium. It turned out that our seats were on the complete opposite side of the stadium from the door that we wanted to leave through to get. So it was and we walked slowly. So, and we stopped to pee. Like, there was all of those things. So easily 30 minutes after they stopped playing, maybe longer. I should look at the timestamp on the picture that I sent you, because it might have even been longer, but at least 30 minutes. 500 people in line, and it's the Mobile Locker Company.
All right.
And what the Mobile Locker Company did for people that night was,
so good.
Well, if you go to their website, you will see a picture of people going into like lockers that have little keys that clear, that kind of thing that you see.
Kind of thing.
Self-service. That's not what was happening at this Stones concert. What was happening there was they had a box truck, and inside the box truck were just hundreds of hooks.
Oh, cheaper than those lockers.
Correct. It was literally an empty box truck with nothing but hooks, and everybody's purses and backpacks. And all of the things that were on the list in the email that everyone got days before they went to the concert, and then again on the day of the concert, that no one clearly read, that were, you can only bring in small bags and you can't bring in all of the things that were hanging in there. And 30 minutes after the show, there was still a line of 500 people getting all their crap that they clearly paid. I don't know what they paid for that. I looked up some prices for other events. My guess is they paid probably somewhere between $10 and $20 a piece to do their stuff.
Cool.
Now they also, I'm sure, had to kick some money upstairs to Bob Kraft and the Gillette company, right? They rented space in the parking lot. But I looked on their website. I believe they're a Massachusetts company. They are... they have a deal with Gillette Stadium to do all of the events, concerts, plus all the Patriots and Revolution games that happen there. But it just amazed me.
It's genius, dude.
It's genius because these people saw a problem, and it's a problem that shouldn't exist. All of these people have cars, certainly within a 10-minute walk.
They're not. Nobody wants to store anything in their car.
What?
They get broken into, man.
Come
to California, dude.
Oh, no. I don't think that happens at Gillette Stadium. I'm sure it does. But
yeah.
But
not, a purse
these are people that brought their backpack to the gate and didn't want to spend the time to walk back to their car. That's what they banked on here with the Mobile Locker Company, and clearly it paid off.
Yeah.
But they're going to do this for football games. Now, most people who go to football games are going with their season tickets, and they show up and they have their routine, and they're still going to sell them spots every weekend or every Sunday that they have a home game in their truck, even though these people know darn well what they can and can't bring into the stadium.
Yeah.
It's just fascinating to me.
I love it because it's a business that solves a problem, because we have it here too.
100%.
Every sporting event you go to, there's always people going, "What? You can't bring what?" This kind of thing.
And it slows down entry and
everything.
all of that.
Yeah.
Yep.